Hello, yeah, so welcome you all to my phone screen. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all my old subscribers and my new ones to your new and fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we are talking about how to make money online, how to do dollar arbitrage, tech videos, and how to do investment wisely, how you can invest wisely. Yeah, and at times too we give free online business tips. Yeah, so today I want to show you how I make 71 cedis daily on this app. How I make 71 cedis daily on this app straight to my MoMo account. My MoMo account. This is how I do it. Yeah. So we are still on the subway. Yeah. And let me tell you something. Though it's working for me, maybe it can't. It will not be working for you. Yeah, that's why I always say that all these apps at times when it gets to some time they misbehave. So when they come this soon, you have to make good use of them. Yeah. So let's go to the subway. So people were saying that they can't log into the subway account. The thing is, I leave my link in my description. So when you register the link, you will see something like this. I will see we have app download. This red thing, you click on it and you will download the app. You download the app. Have you seen this app download? App download. You see this thing, you click on it and you will download the app. Yeah. So this my balance. I have 14.73. The 200, that one you can't withdraw. Yeah. So let me go to me and let me show you the money. I created this account yesterday. No, let me go back and go to financial records. So the financial records, the withdrawal accounts. Are we seeing? I created this account on the 18th. That's last 2 days. And I've been withdrawing money from 8. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is how it works. First of all, you have to invest. So let me go to the VIP one for us to all know this thing. So the VIP one, you have to invest 12 cedis, $12. Let me go here. You have to invest 11 USDT. So when you invest 11 USDT every day, you will get 2 USDT. And the level 2, you invest 53 USDT and daily you will get 10 USDT. So this is how it is. After logging in with this account, first of all you have to recharge the account. The recharge account, this is how you have to recharge it. Have you seen this thing? You copy this account, this address, that's your TRC address on the subway, and you go to, let's say, a place that you have money inside. Let's say you can go to Binance, Xness, any accounts that you have money inside. So let's say I want to transfer money from this. So the receive address, I will place my subway address over there, and I'll enter the amount I want to transfer. Let's say 12 USDT, and I'll click on confirm. So after click on the confirm, I'll get the money in my wallet over here. It will add up to my balance over here. Yeah. So after that, I'll come to task, and I'll purchase VIP one. So the VIP one, every day I have to perform a task, and this task is not very difficult too. There will be a task I have 3 hours later to perform my next task. So there will be something like this over here. Then you click on it, then it will load and it will come complete task. That's it, and you get your 2 USDT. I mean, it's very, very simple. Very simple. So when you get the money, after performing your task, please don't keep the money in the account. My humble advice to you: don't keep the money in the account. Withdraw it. Withdraw the money. So when I go to my account right now I have 3.73 that I have to withdraw. And this 3.73 that I have to withdraw, I got this from my referral. Like if I refer people to this account, I'll get commission. So this is my team. I have 33 people in my team, and we have recharged. They have recharged 85 USDT, and the team have withdraw $16. The team have recharged $85, and they have to withdraw $16. So when it comes to level one, let me show you level one. Level one, you see that these are my team. Some people have recharged, some too haven't recharged yet. Yeah, but if you don't recharge, you will not get any money. Yeah, that one I'm telling you. Yeah. So after doing these things, it's easy for you to withdraw. I say this. After performing your task, please withdraw your money. Withdraw your money. Withdraw your money. So you can withdraw money from 1.7 to what 3,000. So I have 3.73. I want to withdraw everything, bro. Anything you get, withdraw, bro. Withdraw it. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, see the number of withdrawal has been exhausted today. Please try again tomorrow, because today I withdraw a money today. So, and one thing about this is like you have the chance to withdraw once a day. Once a day. You can't withdraw more than once a day. You only have one chance to withdraw once a day. You can't withdraw more than once a day. Yeah. So if I perform my next task, so I can only withdraw when this 3 hours is up. So when this 3 hours is up, I'll perform my next task 2 to 8, making it what. So right now I have, let me check and see. So right now the withdrawal method I have what? I have 3.73. So let me go to my calculator and let's see something. 3.73 plus 2, that's 5.73. 5.73 times 12.3, so 70 cedis. So it means that a day I'm cashing out of 70 cedis a day without doing anything. A day cashing out of 70 cedis. So obviously the withdrawal is a 24 hours withdrawal. So if you perform one withdrawal right now, you can't perform any withdrawal again unless 24 hours is up. Are we saying this thing? Unless 24 hours is what is up before you can perform the other withdrawal. Yeah. All these investment apps are very good for you to make money from it, but at times they also have their agenda. That's why I always see this. When you see this app, when I introduce this app to you, you have to make good use of it early as possible. Because imagine you have invested 11 USDT and perform task for, let's say, a week. A week is what? 7 days. So 2 times 7, 14 USD. So it means that you have to make interest from it. And it's very difficult for them to say like they just come and one week they are off. Nah. At times they can take, let's say, 3 weeks, a month. So you make money from it. I've written it. So it's very easy for you to make money from it. Yeah. And I'm not forcing you, because me, it's working for me. Maybe it cannot work for you, so I'm not forcing you to do it. Is that thing? Yeah. But if you feel like you can do it, can do it. Yeah. So when you withdraw this money, this is how you do if you want to get the money straight to your MoMo account. I will see the withdrawal. Joti asks you this address. You have to add, let's say, Xnest account. So I will leave Xnest account link in my description and Everson account link in my description. So if you create account on this platform, and when you use the RTRT, it's easy for you to cash out through your MoMo account, because they support mobile money 24/7. So when I transfer this money to them, automatically I can withdraw it straight to my MoMo account without any stress, without going to say I'm selling it, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm doing that. Nah, it's very very simple, very simple. And yesterday I did a video last to this year, and people were asking me a lot. It seems some of them don't follow the tutorials very well. Yeah, some of them don't follow the tutorials very well. That is why they keep asking me some questions that I don't even understand. So I say, if you want to what deposit, you go to recharge, you copy this thing, copy. Then you go to Binance, Xnet, any digital wallet, you go there, and if you go there, so let me show you so that it be simple. I hope I've already shown you. Yeah. So if you go there, let's say Neptune, you see, if I go there and the Neptune, because you're transferring the money from here to that place, so you go to what, transfer or withdrawal. At times you see transfer or withdrawal. So it means that you are transferring money from this place to somewhere. So you're going to transfer. Then what, you will enter your this thing over here, and you enter the amount over here, and you click on confirm to do it. You see that thing? Yeah. And this thing is only TRC20. So don't copy this link and go to, let's say, Xness and go to ERC20 or something like that. Just go to USDT TRC20. Yeah. And if you want to withdraw the money too, so that means you want to withdraw this one from this subway to somewhere. So you go to withdraw, and the withdrawal no, you go to, let's say, different app. So let's say, let me use Neptune for example. So let's say receive. So it means that I'm receiving money from somewhere to yours to this place. So I'll copy this one. You see, then I'll go to this one withdraw, and I'll paste it over here. You see, and I'll paste it over here. And I will enter the amount I want to withdraw and enter our security password and confirm. I hope you understand. Yeah, so that's how it is. It's very, very simple. Very simple. And this, you don't need to perform any like hard task. No. You don't need to perform any hard task. You see, you just need to do the normal stuffs, and at the end, you earn your money. You earn your money. That is why I always say this. You have to make good use of them before they will make good use of you. Because me, I don't trust these apps. Yeah, I don't trust these apps. But as a beginner, you can make money from this app as a beginner. You see that thing? Because in this app, I'm not sure that they will be there forever. So if you want to start, even start Dollar Arbitrage, you can invest here and get the money and invest in your Dollar Arbitrage. Very, very simple. Because me, all this money I'm gaining from this investment site, I don't chop it. I just withdraw straight to my Access account, and I used to do Dollar Arbitrage. Very, very simple. You see, so imagine getting, let's say, so let me go to VIP1 and show something. So VIP1, every day you'll be getting 2 USDT till 1 year. So the 1 year is equal to what? 730 USDT. 730 USDT. So let me calculate for you to see. For a year, 730 times 12.3. So for a year, you're making 8,979 Ghana cedis for a year. The year you're taking home 8,979 for a year. See that thing? So let's assume you invested 53 USDT, and every day you're making 10 USDT. For a year, you're cashing out 3650 times. So that means a year you're making 44,895. 44,895. The old currency is what? 440 million. Yo, bro, 440 million. Yeah, just investing just this 53 times 12. Just investing what 651 cedis a year. You're cashing out 44,000 Ghana cedis. That's it. You start that thing. So imagine even if you get half, you're good to go. Yeah. So I think I've made this video more detailed. So I don't think people will chat me and be asking me some questions that I've already answered it all in this video. So I said that I will leave my invitation link in my description. So after register with my invitation link, you will get $200 instantly. So all you need is what, add 11 USDT to it and start your trade. So after register the link, you'll see the app download. This app download. You click on the red one, something like this. You see we have app download, we have Android, and we have what, iOS. The iOS is for what, is for iPhone users. So where you are, so if you are using Android, you click on Android. When you're using iOS, you click on what, iOS, and you download it. It's very, very simple like that. So I think I'm done, and thank you for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That one is very necessary. Subscribe and let's keep going. I'm out.